Stone versus tiles. Which is the best flooring for home interiors? Are you confused between stone flooring and tiles for your home? Both are popular choices, but which one is truly the best? Let's compare them and help you make the right decision. Stone flooring, such as marble, granite, or sandstone, offers a natural and luxurious appearance. Every stone slab has a unique pattern, giving your home an elegant and timeless look. It also adds value to the property. However, natural stone is usually more expensive. It requires periodic sealing and polishing to maintain its beauty. Some stones are also porous and can stain if not properly maintained. Tiles, especially porcelain and vitrified tiles, are available in countless colors, textures, and designs. They are affordable, durable, and require very little maintenance. Many modern tiles even imitate the look of natural stone. Tiles are also resistant to stains, scratches, and moisture, making them an excellent choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and busy households. Installation is generally quicker and more budget-friendly than natural stone. If you want a premium, natural finish and don't mind higher maintenance, stone flooring is an excellent investment. But if you prefer affordability, durability, and easy cleaning, tiles are the smarter choice for most modern homes. Ultimately, the best flooring depends on your budget, lifestyle, and design preference. Which flooring would you choose for your dream home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share for more home design tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.